kata chiemo oduogo kendo kinyi makawuono kinde midayo dho jatend migawo mogwel migawo mar pur Andrew Karanja ewi tiyo kod pacho ka. Karanja owacho ni obiro bedo kod twak gi jokanyo kod jolony sekta no mar neno ni chiemo moro amora ma jokenya tiyogo gin mago ma ok hiny ngimagi.
I want you to tell us what you think about this on the topic of genetically modified organisms, GMOs, where there's two arguments. One, that it would boost crop production in the country, but there's also another group that are worried about health concerns, and there is also another group that is worried about seed sovereignty for the country. We know that Kenya has spent billions of shillings at Kenyatta University, where they have a lab where they've been manufacturing GMOs year in, year out, even for other neighboring countries. So what would you do to implement the Biosafety Act and ensuring that it is implemented and that people are able to make an informed choice? Or what policy you would champion should you be confirmed?
On the GMO and the Biosafety Act, this is a topical issue. I would say it's a very topical issue. We know that in order for us to increase some of the interventions through the GMO can increase our productivity in agriculture. But as rightly as you say, there are concerns about food safety. So if I'm approved by this House and committee, I will look at the issue. I know already there are GMOs which are already being applied, especially on BT cotton. That is already in the country. What is really the issue is where there is food consumption. And we need to balance between the safety and what needs to be done. But I will go ahead and do what is supposed to be done, especially given the Biosafety Act. It has guidelines on how to go about it, in terms of labeling, in terms of making sure that the scientific evidence which is there is utilized to arrive at a decision which everybody in Kenya will be happy about. So I will go ahead and confront the issue and given the evidence on the table, do what is required according to the Biosafety Act.
For the next questioner, from your intensive and extensive research, far and wide, are GMO food products safe for human consumption without qualification?
Mr. Speaker, sir, I would say some yes, but some no. So it's a mixed bag.
Such as?
For example, I know that some of the products we are using, like soya from those countries, are good GMOs. But the others which you need to be taken, especially where genetic engineering is used, you need to be a bit careful. So that is why we are saying the scientific evidence should be used. The Biosafety Act should be followed closely because it has safeguards also, what we need to do and what we cannot do.
Duond bura mar UDA ogolo Cleophas Malala kaka jagoro mare kendo